Hello guys, I'm making an unboxing video of this TI-84 plus CE calculator. I've had this TI-86 for about 18 years, but lately the battery runs out pretty fast and there are lines on the screen, so I decided to buy a new calculator. I'm an aerospace engineering student at Virginia Tech, and so I really needed a new calculator given the old one gave out. So you can see you can use this for many different courses. This is also a color graphing calculator, and you can also use this for SAT, ACT, and AP. At the back you can see the different models, a comparison of different models, Texas Instrument calculator models. Alright, and I'm gonna open this using this tool so you don't make a mess with as with the scissors. I still have the box in the better set. Alright, here you got adapter, got some booklets on starter booklets, also 1-year warranty on the product. There is a USB cable to connect from one calculator to second one, transfer data, and this second one is the your power recharging, because this calculator you don't have to buy batteries. This has a rechargeable battery in it. And here is the calculator. Wow, this is really light compared to my old one, and really light. Okay, it's very shiny, and of course this is color screen, so that's kind of interesting. Alright, and compared to the old one, see how thin this is. It's amazing. Alright, hope you guys liked this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching.